So my siding just came in. My siding came in. Work on that zone in a couple days. Got enough to get that set up for the siding, and then we'll just be siding that whole area, getting it all done. So maybe by July? Maybe by July I'll be done.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways. Don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go. Baby, what you think of me? Well, now tell me, baby, what you think of me? You ain't been giving me no rest since I've been in Nashville, Tennessee. One more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. 'Cause my train is here and you know I gotta go.
So we're still doing that sketchy area right there. There's 2 wasps that keep bothering us. The sun's coming up. I'm trying to find the best place for this. God bless you. Best place for this camera. Still working on it. I hate this area
with a passion.
But we're almost done. We're bringing up the insulation. Gonna put the insulation up. Pappy and Josiah are working on that. I keep looking here. I don't know why I keep looking at myself here. and then we'll just work our way over. Earlier the air conditioner was leaking somewhere, but not through the drainage hole, of course, right? So I had to drill 2 new holes in the AC so it would drip on the outside, and I took all the insulation and all the waterproofing that held the water in off to let this dry. So hopefully it doesn't rain this week. I may have to, there we go, may have to seal it up tomorrow. Okay, there we go. Here comes Buttons, Kinky. Say, oh, I got to stop being a ham here and actually do work. Thank you, Buttons.
Wait down here for the next cut?
Yeah. All right, now it's time to tape. Nail and tape.